Aquarium filtration system that offers superior contact time with filter media and energy-efficient pump lowers operating costs. Quick and easy installation. We recommend that you clean aquarium filter every 2 weeks for maximum operation and efficiency. Provides optimal mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration. Comes equipped with AquaClear Foam, activated carbon filter and BioMax and cycle guard for superior water quality. Filtration volume is up to 7 times larger than comparable fish tank filters. Top reviews from the United States. Simply the best filter available. I am presently running 4 each of the AquaClear 70s on the back of my 55-gallon tank. Yes, it is filter overkill, but I never change the water, and I refill evaporated water with RO water. I have been using AquaClear filters for more than 35 years on various size tanks, and by way of experience I can say that there is nothing better or more efficient for keeping a fish tank clear and clean. The only reason I am writing this review is to add my 2 cents regarding so many reviews that claim the motors fail. After 30 years of unending running of multiple AquaClears, I have never ever had a motor fail. Can the motor fail? Yes. Only one thing can make one of these motors fail, and that is by running them dry. Never plug in an AquaClear without checking the level of the water in the AquaClear tank. The tank must be filled with an external container before plugging in the AquaClear motor. If you do that, the motor will not and cannot fail. Always remember that these motors are cooled and lubricated by the water, and without water, goodbye motor.